Suspended over a cliff where modern tools proved ineffective, workers turned to an ancient method, using wooden decking and hand drilling for reinforcement. Now, feast your eyes on the awe-inspiring Guanshan Road. The cutting-edge Hydrotech system offers geotextiles designed to create porous concrete surfaces, which help manage fluids and prevent erosion. Be amazed by the precision construction of this arch bridge. Accomplished with the use of self-propelled multi-axle mobile platforms, it's simply incredible. When selecting a partner for the construction site, the Babbitt is always the top choice due to its professional skill set, which matches or surpasses human capabilities. Eco-friendly builders favor wool insulation for its thermal, acoustic, and fire-resistant properties, as well as its easy installation process. The Hadrian X robotic bricklaying arm uses heavy-duty adhesives to construct homes at a speed comparable to a high-performance sewing machine, delivering flawless results. With these impressive jacks, a developer was able to raise an entire wall alone, ensuring his safety throughout the process. The newest top-down construction technology has doubled the safety standards in the industry. This crane system ensures the safe assembly of bridge blocks, offering a unique technology that significantly simplifies the lives of workers. This is a modular wooden house that can be quickly transported and assembled anywhere in the world. It is an impressive technology. This mini crane has a lifting capacity of 240 kilograms, can be transported in a standard trailer, and excels in cutting-edge wall construction. Completely permeable and easy to manufacture, resin-bound surfacing is an innovative road technology that is perfect for mitigating road surface water. Leary Tents provides the versatility to effortlessly create any space you desire, whether it's for a party, greenhouse, store, or outdoor movie night. This is an amazing machine that drills through sewer manhole covers faster than you can open a jar of peanut butter. Insulation is no longer a resource-intensive task, because now engineers can simply inject bubbles into hollow walls, making your home cozier than ever before. This bridge-building giant, with a 900-ton lifting capacity, reduces manual labor by automating the installation and reinforcement of the large spaces between piles. Made from 100% recycled materials, Durasol provides excellent sound insulation for busy Gorvatska. and its rail system simplifies its installation. Nowadays, construction workers can operate machinery from home using CAT command technology, allowing them to control and maneuver machines remotely from anywhere. Additionally, with the use of such unmanned vehicles, there may be no need to see any workers on site in the future. The Verdi Drive robotic crawler has revolutionized the cleaning and painting of storage tanks. Using revolutionary bubble deck hollow plastic technology, builders have reduced slab weight and concrete consumption by 35%. This powerful metal bending machine can effortlessly shape and bend strong metal profiles on site, ensuring the durability and longevity of the structure. Introducing the Regafill system, enabling workers to assemble large plastic water infiltration channels in just one day. Efficient demolition is just as important as construction, and Brock machines are ideal for the task. Take a look at this machine. A single worker can efficiently handle tunnel lining with it. With the advent of lift robots, delivering materials to construction sites has never been easier or safer. Get ready for a real house assembled like Lego. Girauda Easy Column Wrapping helps transform any post, pillar, or column with minimal effort. Now, 3D printing technology can be used to create bridges, even without using a single piece of rebar. Using polyurethane to easily repair sunken road surfaces is incredibly convenient. Girauda Easy Column Wrapping helps transform any post, pillar, or column with minimal effort. Compared to traditional roof installation methods, this modular roof significantly improves installation convenience, saving both time and materials. To accelerate construction and reduce costs, savvy builders are opting for plastic foundations, renowned for their unique strength-enhancing geometry. Prepare to be amazed by a unique road printer that lays down pavement in the blink of an eye. With this modular assembled house, you can easily fulfill your dream of surviving in the wilderness. Due to an innovative hydraulic cylinder design, builders managed to replace a 19th-century ton bridge in just 4 days. There is now a more environmentally friendly option for building a water channel, rather than traditional canal lining. Constructing in the middle of vast bodies of water is undoubtedly challenging, but now you can create a mini island, providing builders with a dry and hassle-free workspace. In New Zealand, builders can now use technology to safely construct the perfect roof at ground level before assembling the house. Brilliant! Due to concrete's resistance to corrosion and fire, the concrete Lego system simplifies pipeline installation so much that it only requires a small crew. By using vegetated roof mats, roofers can effectively insulate a house, minimizing heat loss in winter and reducing indoor temperatures in summer. These computerized trolleys from Wolf House Movers, they transported a 120-year-old building covering 3,530 square meters without causing any damage. Flexim Roof Mortar, which sets instantly, is ready to use straight from the box, offering dependable protection against water and wind. Installing the dock no longer requires heavy equipment. These lightweight aluminum blocks make the installation process a breeze. With the push of a button, you can easily paint an area of 2,000 square meters in a day, while avoiding exposure to chemicals. These brick wall cladding slats are truly outstanding. They deliver a flawless visual effect at a low cost. State-of-the-art technologies ensure that even deep bodies of water cannot prevent the transportation of bridges. An innovative design enables box culverts to handle soil loads while expertly managing water flows, ensuring stability for every project. Believe it or not, once you master the torch technique, removing tiles becomes quick and easy. Exoskeletons turn workers into super-efficient terminators, effectively doubling their capacity without back strain. See how effortlessly builders can assemble a multi-tone structure with this placement system, which provides enhanced strength and flexibility for reinforcement bars. That's all for today, friends. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.